Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome to SlidoQuiz.com, powered by BioPoint. So, for joining into the quiz, go to slido.com and use the code 31803. I'm activating the quiz. Let everybody join. Let's wait for all the people to join. This is a quiz based on the 50 most expected MCQs from plant physiology. Join the quiz fast. Okay, let everyone join the quiz. Most expected questions from plant physiology. Go to slido.com and use the code 31803. So starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1, and I am starting the quiz. First question on the screen. Drooping of leaves due to loss of turgor at noon, but recovery in the evening is referred to as option A, temporary wilting, option B, incipient wilting, option C, midday desiccation, and option D, permanent wilting. 10 seconds remaining for answering this question. Six persons have answered the quiz, and 33 with temporary wilting, 33 with incipient wilting. Let's check the correct answer. So, drooping of leaves due to loss of turgor at noon, but recovery in the evening is referred to as temporary wilting. Okay, the answer is temporary wilting. Second question. When plants are kept in hypertonic salt solution, they get option A, turgid, option B, deplasmalized, option C, plasmalized, and option C, lysed. When the plant cells are kept in hypertonic salt solution, they get option A, turgid, option B, deplasmalized, option C, plasmalized, and option D, lysed. 80% with plasmalized. 80% answer with plasmalized. Let's check the correct answer, and the correct answer is plasmalized condition. When the plant cells are kept in a hypertonic salt solution, they get plasmalized. Third question. Accumulation of which one of the following acid result into closure of stomata? Option A, malic acid, option B, aspiritic acid, option C, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and option D, oxaloacetic acid. Accumulation of which of the following result into the closure of stomata? Malic acid, aspiritic acid, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and oxaloacetic acid. The correct answer for this question is option number A, malic acid. Due to the accumulation of malic acid, closure of stomata takes place. Fourth question. Osmotic pressure of pure solvent at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is 1 atm is 1 atmospheric pressure. is less than its solution, is more than its solution, is constant, and option D, 0. Osmotic pressure of pure solvent at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is always less than its solution, more than its solution, constant, and 0. 64% 0, and the correct answer is 0. The osmotic pressure of a pure solvent is 0. Next, fifth question, after which the first leaderboard appears. The rate of transpiration will be very less in a situation where the rate of transpiration will be less in a situation where option A, groundwater is sufficiently available, option B, wind is blowing, option C, any ointment is very hot or dry, option D, relative humidity is very high. Groundwater is sufficiently available, wind is blowing. Yes, 64% with relative humidity is high. The correct answer is that, because transpiration is the loss of water through the parts of aerial parts of a plant in the form of water vapor. That is referred to as transpiration. And if the relative humidity of the surrounding is high, it will lead to the reduction in the transpiration. Let's have the sixth question. Middle lamellae contains option A, calcium, option B, magnesium, option C, sodium, and option D, potassium. Middle lamellae contains, we have the components of middle lamellae. Middle lamellae contains calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. 73% with calcium. Let's have the correct answer. It is calcium. Have the leaderboard. First 6 on 6 for Adi, 4 on 6 Aishwarya, then 4 on 6 Kalyan Katu Neeli, then 4 on 6 for Pranav, and 4 on 6 for Cute. Next question, seventh one. Which one of the following elements in plants is not remobilized? Okay, which one of the following elements in plants is not remobilized? Option A, phosphorus, option B, calcium, option D, potassium, and option D, sulfur. That question in that chapter, mineral nutrition. Oh, it's a network issue, it's buffering. Yes, 58% with calcium. Let's check the correct answer is calcium. Calcium is the element in plants that is not remobilized. Eighth question on the screen. Plants can be grown in option A, soil with essential nutrients, option B, water with essential nutrients, option C, either water or soil with essential nutrients, and option D, water or oil without essential nutrients. So majority answer for the question, 62% with plants can be grown in either water or soil with essential nutrients. Correct answer, 62%. Ninth question, nitrogenase enzyme convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, ammonia into nitrate and nitrite, nitrate into nitrite, and nitrate and nitrite into nitrogen. Nitrogenase enzyme is present in heterocyst. Nitrogenase enzyme convert. Nitrogenase is present in the heterocyst of certain bacteria. 69% given the correct answer. Nitrogenase enzyme is present in specialized cells called heterocyst that converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. 10th question. Lime is added to the soil, which is 2. Option A sandy, option B salty, option C alkaline, and option D acidic. Lime is added to the soil, which is 2. Sandy, salty, alkaline, and acidic. (67) with alkaline, acidic is the answer. Lime is added to the soil, which is 2 acidic, because lime is alkaline or basic in nature. In order to make it neutral, we are adding lime. Okay, leaderboard. This is current position. 1 from PowerPoint, I think. Okay, 9 on 10 Adi standing the first. 11th question. The first acceptor of an excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 is option A iron sulfur protein, option B ferredoxin, option C quinone, and option D cytochrome. The first acceptor of an excited chlorophyll molecule of photopigment system 2. Question from photosynthesis, class 11th. Iron sulfur protein, ferredoxin, quinone, cytochrome. (36% with ferredoxin. The correct answer is quinone. Quinone is the first acceptor of an excited chlorophyll molecule of photopigment system 2. Twelfth question. Energy for ATP synthesis in photopigment system 2 comes from. Energy for ATP synthesis in PS2 comes from. PS2 means photosystem 2 or photopigment system number 2. Proton gradient, electron gradient, reduction of glucose, oxidation of glucose. Energy for ATP synthesis in photopigment system 2 comes from 73% with proton gradient, which is the correct answer. 13th question. Cran's anatomy is one of the characteristic of the leaves of. Cran's anatomy. Simple question from anatomy of flowering plants. Sugarcane, wheat, potato, mustard. Cran's anatomy is the characteristic of which leaves? Sugarcane, wheat, potato, mustard. Hope everybody gives the correct answer. 73% with sugarcane, which is the correct answer for the question. 14th question on the screen. The enzyme that is not found in a C3 plant is. The enzyme that is not found in a C3 plant is. Option A, RUBP carboxylase. B, PEP carboxylase, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase, NADP reductase, ATP synthase. The enzyme that is not found in a C3 plant, not found in a C3 plant. RUBP carboxylase, PEP carboxylase, NADP reductase, and ATP synthase. And the correct answer is PEP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase is not found in C3 plants. 15th question on the screen. Photosynthesis is maximum in. Option A, green light. Option B, blue followed by red light. Option C, red followed by blue light. And option D, blue light. Question from the first 2 pages of the chapter photosynthesis. growing of a certain type of algae and conducting the experiment, making white light passes through a prism. The correct answer is red followed by blue light. Photosynthesis rate is maximum in red and blue region, but red is followed by the blue light only. Leaderboard. Again, we have the same person, Aati, on 13 out of 15. Then we have Kalyangattu Neeli with 12 on 15. Then Little Princess 11 on 15. Pranav 10 on 15. Vandana P. Anand 10 on 15. 16th question on the screen. The number of glucose molecule required to produce 38 ATP molecules under anaerobic condition by a yeast cell is option A 2, option B 4, option C 19 and option D 38. The number of glucose molecules required to produce 38 ATP molecules under anaerobic condition by a yeast cell. Oh, everybody voted with all the answer. The correct answer is 36%. %36 voted with the correct answer. 19 is the answer. 17th question. Which of the following plants can respire even in the absence of oxygen? Not plants, which of the following plant parts can respire even in the absence of oxygen? Option A, seed. Option B, root. Option C, stem. And option D, leaf. Which of the following plant parts can respire even in the absence of oxygen? Option A, seed. Option B, root. Option C, stem. And option D, leaf. 50% with seed. The correct answer is seed itself. Seed can respire even in the absence of oxygen. 18th question. Phosphorylation of glucose during glycolysis is catalyzed by. Phosphorylation of glucose is catalyzed by phosphoglucomutase, phosphoglucoisomerase, hexokinase, and phosphorylase. Phosphoglucomutase, phosphoglucoisomerase, hexokinase, and phosphorylase. 56% with hexokinase, and it is the correct answer. 19th question. The ultimate electron acceptor of respiration in an anaerobic organism is. The ultimate electron acceptor of respiration in an anaerobic organism is. Option A, cytochrome. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, oxygen. And option D, glucose. Ultimate electron acceptor of respiration in anaerobic organism. Cytochrome, hydrogen, oxygen, glucose. Oxygen and cytochrome 38%. The correct answer is oxygen. Oxygen is the ultimate or the final electron acceptor of respiration in an anaerobic organism. 20th question. Oxidative phosphorylation is. Option A, formation of ATP by transfer of phosphate group from a substrate to ADP. Option B, oxidation of phosphate group in ATP. Option C, addition of phosphate group to ATP. And option D, formation of ATP by energy released from electrons removed during substrate oxidation. 50% with option D, and it is the correct answer. Formation of ATP by energy released from electrons removed during substrate oxidation. Leaderboard. What problem with this quiz? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Oh. Photoperiodism was first potato and option D tomato. Photoperiodism was first characterized in cotton, tobacco, potato, and tomato. Oh. Again, I don't know what happened. Yes, this was a question. Photoperiodism was first characterized in. I think there is a slight problem with this quiz. Cotton, tobacco, potato, tomato. 5 seconds to answer this question. 80% with tobacco, and the correct answer is tobacco. 22nd question on the screen. Plasticity in plants growth means that option A, plant roots are extensible, option B, plant growth is dependent on the environment, C, stems can extinct, and option D, none of the above. 10 seconds remaining to answer the question. 5 seconds more. 78% with plant growth is dependent on the environment. It is the correct answer. 23rd question. Which hormone is maximum in coconut milk? Name the phytohormone that is maximum in coconut milk. Option A, gibberellin. Option B, ethylene. Option C, cytokinin. And option D, auxin. Gibberellin, ethylene, cytokinin, and auxin. The hormone that is maximum in coconut milk. Coconut milk itself is a liquid endosperm. The correct answer is option C, cytokinin. 89% vote for that. 24th, second last question. To test any chemical substance by using a living system is called option A, grafting, option B, cloning, option C, biopsy, and option D, bioassay. To test any chemical substance by using a living system is called option A, grafting, cloning, biopsy, bioassay. Grafting, cloning, biopsy, bioassay. Testing a chemical substance by using a living system. Correct answer is option D, bioassay. Last and the final question on the screen. Auxins can be bioassayed by NTA Abhyas mock test question. Auxin can be bioassayed by option A, lettuce hypocotyl elongation. Option B is not complete, Avena coleoptile curvature. Then hydroponics, last one, potometer. Lettuce hypocotyl elongation, Avena coleoptile curvature, hydroponics, and potometer. 90% with Avena coleoptile. It is a correct answer. The last and the final leaderboard. Yes, I am the winner with 16 points out of 20. Actually, congratulations to all the winners. 3 minutes 47 seconds for the final question, I think. Okay. I'm stopping the quiz. Thank you. Yeah, now it's the final one. We have 21 on 25 with Adi, followed by 20 on question was except of 27 people have voted for the correct answer.